Founded in 1993 in the city of São José dos Campos, Forming Tubing do Brasil today occupies a 7,000 square meter area. With over 25 years dedicated to the development and manufacturing of tubular components, Forming Tubing do Brasil is the Brazilian company with the greatest know-how in the forming and brazing of the tubular segments used in refrigeration, heat exchangers, and electrical appliances. To keep abreast with the constant market innovations, Forming Tubing counts on a highly specialized technical team. Imports and builds 100% automatic equipment and tools. Uses dedicated devices and gauges for each kind of operation or product to ensure repeatability and quick setups, thus meeting the demands and characteristics of the brazing process and the rigorous specifications required by their customers, whether it be a simple cut, cuts with tighter tolerances, or a final product with the most varied and complex combinations of processes and operations. Regardless of the diameter or thickness of the tubes, all components contain the same constant standard of quality. Folds, mechanical forming. State-of-the-art folding equipment ensure the geometry of the parts and allows swift compliance with the constant technical and technological changes. Vices, conification machines. For a perfect assembly of the parts, eliminating roundness, scraps, and loose metal particles, all components are produced in automatic vices and conification machines operated by numeric control. White line, capillary. The capillary and suction lines are manufactured with modern, completely automatic drawing machine using internal spindles in all stages of the process, ensuring flow and total absence of roughness. The products undergo a rigorous process of slider-based chemical cleansing, eliminating and ensuring the absence of any residue that is incompatible with the refrigeration gases. All products are inspected by testing flow, residues, and miscibility. Induction welding, aluminum, copper. The blending of aluminum and copper by means of induction heating without using welding alloys. Chemical and mechanical cleaning, to eliminate scraps and residue incompatible with the brazing process that are extremely harmful to the refrigeration and air conditioning process. The Forming Tubing products first undergo a rigorous chemical and mechanical cleaning process and are then dried out in ovens to ensure the perfect functioning of the equipment and machines that will use their products. Drying filters, produced in a completely automated cell with controlled temperature and environment, to guarantee the functionality required by the product from the moment the raw material enters the factory to the final packaging. All products are kept in a moisture-free environment controlled by means of lab tests to meet the rigorous demands of their customers in this segment. The machines feature electronic sensors attached to the equipment that they control and ensure the proper dosage of silicon molecules. Welding sector. The brazing-based welding sector is a source of pride to Forming Tubing do Brasil. Manned by a well-trained and highly qualified team of professionals, the sector uses gauges and devices developed for each kind of product or joint, ensuring extremely accurate operations of the greatest responsibility. Watertight and leakage tests. The components manufactured by Forming Tubing undergo watertight and leakage tests using inert gas, nitrogen with a pressure of up to 42 kilograms of force per square millimeter. Laboratory. Once they are finished, the products are inspected and submitted to tests, such as dimensional control, watertight tests, miscibility analysis, flow, residues, etc., which guarantee the total quality of the products. The constant search for perfection and cost reduction in the manufacturing process allows customers and partners to focus on the constant market innovations and the final quality of their products. You may not see it, but Forming Tubing is an integral part of your quality of life, acclimatizing environments and refrigerating and conserving foods. Forming Tubing do Brasil, connected with the refrigeration and air conditioning market.